Guys, oh, okay, all right, guys. So TJ's gonna be out for a week, so I'm gonna be by myself for a while. I know I sound like every ASMR YouTuber, but this game looks okay. I'm gonna stop. This game looks very cool. I keep on seeing ads. It's on mobile. Yeah, so we're gonna do English, playing English. This game is basically all emojis, and it's called SNORE RPG. And this game is basically made out of emojis, which is the most unique thing about it. I should have done the intro here. Whatever. So yeah, as you can see, they're like made out of all like underscores and stuff. Honestly, this might be the most good, unique game of all time. So options, audio, ambience. Yeah, we need that. Definitely no screen flashes. You know what? We're gonna keep screen flashes, but we're gonna add an epilepsy warning every single time there's a flash. So just press to begin. You see nothing. You hear nothing. You feel something. The ground. It feels rocky. Collect stones. 1 stone. 2 stones. 1 stone has something etched onto it. I would put that stone back down. Is that me? Oh my god, where's Stickman? What? How does this game work? How does this game work? Wait, what? Oh, I think there's a cutscene. I guess this is us? Like, you see how unique this is? A rocky platinum. It looks over a canyon split by a shimmering river. The cliffside path descends into the narrow bank. What? Okay, this game is kind of good. You find a small cave in the canyon of the base of the cliff. I swear, if this game is just reading, you root about the canyon, you get the impression that all the trees are dead. So we're gonna name this little guy Jimothy. I bet y'all couldn't hear me this whole entire time. My bad. Yeah, this is kind of boring. I thought this would be fun, honestly. Workstation. tree. You again. Be gone. No. Exgiology does not wish for botheration from Acronian rejects. Wow, okay. Items. I want to do stone. Give it to him. Give the stone to him. Ooh! Good job. You're saying I just countered this guy's attack? Oh, wait, we gotta fight him? Is that a soulstone? Impressive. Very well, you may squeeze by. Escalio will be interested in this. You'll be so lucky if I don't slap you with this sword in the face. Pacifist. I could... No, I'm killing him. No, I could kill him. And I will. Fine. It's like... No, I'm killing him. I'm killing him. I am killing him. I ain't doing no pacifist ending or nothing. What is that? Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, so now we're at the Caves of Fear. Turn some back. This is definitely better than it. Okay, what is this? Tar. It's a tar. And we got a scooter. Ooh, oh, did you see that heart? Whoa. Okay. Okay, I actually like this game a little bit. What I even prefer. Look at, this is cool. I haven't taken a single bit of damage. What's good, monster? Ooh, 1 damage, 2 damage. Oh, I'm actually getting damage. Items, what is this? Remove. What does this do? What does this do? My heart. Just look up the tar. All we need in life is tar. Once I beat this area, the video is over. 3 areas, and the video is over. What is that? Starstone. Looks very sus. That literally happened the first time too. What? Oh, Starstone. Details. When a location is completed, gain the star, become harder and drop a bed of treasures. So what makes my life harder? Great. 70 wood. Oh. Well, looks like I'm taking out the axe then. I'm taking out the axe. Are you serious? Caves of Fear. I think I got. So this is where you get tar from. I'm gonna just get some tar then. Move out the way! Dang, I can't even get tar anymore. do you want? Bye. Like, damn, let me get my car. Yeah, take that. Yeah, take that. Yeah, yeah, get your next one. I'm going to physically leave. How many do I need for canoe? I need a lot of tar. Okay, so we're gonna get some wood in the Deadwood Canyon. Why do we always go here? Okay, this is just tar here. You tell me we regenerate health. Please tell me we regenerate health. No, bro. We're leaving. We're gonna leave. 85. So we're gonna leave. Come back. See, I'm smart. You already know how it is. We'll stay at the exact same bat part. Whatever. Because we have enough health to change it now. Did I just trip? Pick up this car. Oh, never, don't pick up the car. Bam. Well, 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 bam. Get him. Did I just do it? I died. I thought that was me. So I just straight up. So. Oh, okay, we unlocked a new location, so that's gonna be the end of today's video. Put in the comments what I should name this guy. The comment with the name that has the most likes. Guess the name this guy. It better be it better be appropriate, and make sure it's a name like John or Dylan. Just make sure it's like a regular name. Like something that like every single like just a name, but don't make it Andrew Tate or something like that. Anyway, yeah, goodbye. And honestly, this game's kind of fun.